Hello everyone. So today we will understand right formula in Excel. As we have discussed left formula in previous video, the meaning of right formula is same as it is like that. Now to clear more about right formula, we will solve one question. We have given with phone numbers. Now we need to find the last four digits of phone number. So for that we will use right formula. So we will write equal to right tab. Now I need to select a number, so I have selected number, comma. Now I need to give the numbers of character from the right side, that how many I want to remove. So I want to remove 4 number from the last right side, so I will write 4 and press enter. Whenever I press enter, I will get the last 4 digit of phone number. Now I will drag this formula to other row, so that it formula get applies in other column. So this is how we can use right formula in Excel. Thank you so much for watching my videos.